Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with practical prerequisites. You must be signed in as an administrator and have a backup of the locked folder. Once backed up, close apps that might use the files so nothing blocks changes. Now open File Explorer and note the exact path of the locked folder. Then right-click the folder, choose Properties, and go to the Security tab to start changing permissions. This first action gives you control to remove the lock. You'll next take ownership and update permissions so Windows stops treating the folder as restricted. Click Advanced Change next to Owner, enter your admin name, and confirm. Once you own it, add your user and grant full control. Make sure to check Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects. After applying, use the Effective Access tab to verify your account has full rights. These steps remove inherited restrictions and let you modify or delete the folder. Now that ownership and permissions are fixed, close any apps holding the folder. Use Task Manager to end processes or simply restart. Once no handles are open, delete or rename the folder normally in File Explorer. If Windows still blocks you, reboot into safe mode and repeat the delete. Safe mode prevents many services from locking files. If safe mode fails, run an elevated command prompt and use rd/.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.